Imagine you're delivering a key point in a high-stakes meeting when your momentum is suddenly derailed by a loud, sharp cough or someone clearing their throat directly over your voice. Pay attention to the timing. If that cough lands precisely at the peak of your statement and is followed by a quick smirk, you are likely seeing a deliberate behavior called an artificial interruption. This specific timing suggests the act is intended to break your focus. By creating a loud, sudden distraction, the interrupter attempts to make the speaker look flustered while shifting the room's attention toward themselves. To counter this without appearing defensive, you can use a strategy called the Interruption Freeze. It allows you to address the disruption and reclaim the floor without ever raising your voice. Recognizing the difference between a genuine medical need and a tactical interruption allows you to view the situation as a predictable pattern that you can manage. The moments following an interruption are critical. The room is silent for a split second, and everyone present is subconsciously waiting to see how the speaker maintains their composure. Common reactions include speaking faster to finish the point before the next noise, or increasing your volume to shout over the interrupter. This chart illustrates why these responses fail. Appearing agitated signals that a small distraction destabilized your confidence. This is a loss of frame. As shown here, room authority shifts toward the interrupter because they dictated your emotional state. Using volume to compete for attention falls directly into the interrupter's hands, as it validates the disruption as a successful tool for control. Step 1 is the millisecond stop. The moment the interruption occurs, stop talking immediately. If you are mid-word, do not finish it. This sudden halt creates a void in the room. You choose to stop the flow of information rather than trying to push through the noise. Step 2 is the 3-second cold stare. Turn your head slowly toward the person who interrupted you, maintaining a neutral, analytical expression. You must maintain this silence and eye contact for 3 full seconds. Resist the urge to speak or look away. This duration is long enough for the silence to feel heavy. It shifts the burden of awkwardness away from you, placing it directly on the interrupter. As the silence continues, the rest of the room will naturally focus on the person who caused the break in the conversation. By utilizing silence this way, you take a subtle, passive-aggressive gesture and bring it into the light for everyone to see. Step 3 is the monotone confrontation technique. Once social pressure in the room is high, address the interrupter in a quiet, steady voice. Use this specific phrasing. Do you need a glass of water, or did you have something valuable to add to my point? This script reframes their action. It suggests an involuntary medical issue or a failed contribution attempt, neither of which carries authority. Follow this with step 4, the deliberate pivot. Turn your head away from them and look back toward the audience to resume your presentation. It is vital that you do not wait for an answer. The question is rhetorical. Waiting for a response gives them back the floor. Resume your point from the exact moment you stopped, but speak at a slightly slower, more measured pace to signal you are back in control of the room. By continuing exactly without acknowledging their reaction, you demonstrate that the interruption had no lasting impact on your mental focus. At this stage, the room has seen a clear demonstration of composure, and their attention is typically fully regained. The interrupter often finds themselves in an uncomfortable position, as their attempt to disrupt has only highlighted their own lack of decorum. Loud reactions to conflict often result in a loss of credibility. A calm, silent response demonstrates that you can navigate social friction without being pulled into an emotional struggle. This approach shows that authority is not about being the loudest person in the room, but about having the poise to make your presence felt through composure. When you master your own internal reactions, you gain the ability to influence your social environment. Subscribe to continue developing your psychological toolkit.